Hi, welcome to another V's Cards video. In this video I'm doing something a bit different. I'm actually doing less voiceover and more speaking as I am video recording. Wish me luck. The video is going to be about this mini catalogue that starts for you on the 3rd of August and ends on the 3rd of January. So even though it's printed differently, just bear in mind that the dates have changed, and this was a sort of a COVID minute thing that we had to reorganise so that you would have the products available to you once they were live for you. I'm not allowed to open what's in here, but I can show you some unboxing items that I purchased recently. So if you're a demonstrator, you get to purchase the products a little bit earlier than everyone else, and that's one of the benefits of being a demonstrator. Okay, first up I wanted to brag about some bundles, and my first bundle is this guy here. I'm sorry about the reflection, but it is a penguin builder, and I'm so very excited about this punch because I do have some memories of using the owl punch and making some penguins for Christmas. It's a very old and retired punch, and I've had some really good memories of making some Christmas cards with them. So this is a bundle. What that basically means is if you purchase 2 products in the one product code, you get 10% discount on the products, and when they coordinate, it just makes so much sense to purchase them together at once for that 10% discount. So I'm very excited about this product, and during celebration, which is coming up soon, you'll be able to get this coordinating paper for free. So I haven't opened mine yet, but I am dying to see and uncover what's inside, so bear with me. Now the catalogue can only give the paper so much justice. If you have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, go to your classes and ask your demonstrator to show you the products that she has pre-purchased. So they're 2-sided papers, and that is absolutely gorgeous colouring. What do you think? And I believe you would be able to punch out that penguin shape using the punch. So it's going to coordinate with the bundle, and how cool is that to have free matching paper. So this was an item that I chose by spending $90 during my pre-celebration time as a demonstrator. Really pretty colours. I can definitely use these colours in a Christmas card, can you? I do love traditional colours, but sometimes these brighter colours are fun as well. Absolutely fabulous. Love it. Okay, I bought another bundle which I really love also. This gorgeous stamp set and punch again. Now don't panic, the image here does match or fit this size of this punch. It's just they had to squeeze in all the images and sentiments in the one front cover, but you will have everything to size. As you can see, the size is a bit bigger, or here you can see that the size is a bit bigger and would coordinate with the punch. So it's just a great up-to-date. You might already have stamp sets for Christmas, but it's a nice trendy up-to-date bundle to grab. Again, you'll get a 10% discount if you purchase the 2 matching or coordinating items in the one product code. And why not save 10%? Again, Celebration has won me over with more free DSP. So again, I purchased another $90 worth of product during my pre-celebration period, and I haven't yet opened this up, so I can't wait to see what I got for free. So that will punch out straight away by the looks of it. And you've got a background matching backing. Looks like the woods images there and some stripy Christmas colour. So there you go, that's a bit of show and tell for you. I did buy other items. I bought this dome packet, and the cool thing about this dome packet is you could easily punch out your penguin and put him inside a snow globe, and then put some decorations in the snow globe for shaking. I wanted to bring to your attention an item that's in the clearance rack, which is a punch and a stamp set. I have made these for markets and they're my best Christmas sellers. It is currently in the clearance rack and it's an absolute bargain, so grab that kit. It comes with a stamp set with a acrylic block with an ink pad and the stamp set, and I really love it, and I've put a lot of good use to it. So if you are shopping at Stamping Up, make sure you check out the clearance rack as well. It's paper sale time in July and I've not yet opened these papers, which I think would be perfect for sympathy cards or male birthday cards. So nature wood trees always seems to work for both these occasions, and I'm dying to look at these in real life. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? You could definitely do shaker cards with that, couldn't you? And have a penguin or a deer in the greeting card. Now this is not necessarily a Christmas card, but again, great for sympathy. Or a guy card. Same with this one. Nature always goes well for sympathy. So that's already in the current catalogue. I've got mine here. So if you go into, so here we go. So these are the gorgeous papers, and some of these are on sale with a 15% discount. Now this one I wanted to show you in good taste because I bought my second packet. I couldn't resist. I find this background paper to be quite trendy and I use it a lot for weddings. And here it is. You get quite a lot out of this packet because there's 24 sheets. And you can almost feel the texture just by looking at the designer series paper. I think that although the catalogue is fabulous, I don't believe it gives some papers the justice it deserves or the attention it deserves. So have a look on the internet and see what tickles your fancy, because the papers could be at a discount, and why not grab it while it is at a discount? You've probably already wanted to, and now you have a good excuse to. So this one I used a lot for weddings. Would be a good mail card. In fact, all of these wood grain ones would be great as a mail card. So I wanted to show you something else in the mini or Christmas catalogue. There are some silver foil sheets that I had to grab because I really love the gold foiled sheets that came out in the last mini catalogue. Sorry about the lighting and the glare. These are the 3 sheets that you get in the pack, and they're quite beautiful, and you could definitely do Christmas with that as well. Finally, a returning favourite. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick up on the sort of a velvety texture that this paper has, but it's perfect for Christmas, for showcasing a type of snow scene in your greeting cards, in your gift tags, or in your bookmarks as a gift for Christmas. Something else I had to get from the new mini catalogue. Oh, it's quite thin and delicate, it's beautiful. So obviously you punch those out. Oh, that's lovely. You could even put a dancing deer right over that. That'd be quite pretty. Beautiful. Something else I wanted to show you. These beautiful brushed metallic adhesive back dots. That would go great to complement a Christmas card. Also, I was meant to show you this subtle shimmer sequence, which would be great for the shaker dome card and the penguin. I want to show you another fabulous and exciting product, bedazzling specialty paper. So I got this for free again. I spent another $90 and got this beautiful paper. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could do so much with this. And there's a really special punch that will work well with this product, but I can't talk about that just yet. Watch this space. I'll just leave that and do that a little bit later. I wanted to show you 2 things I got from the clearance rack. These are so cute. Check them out. I mean, I think they're adorable. Do not underestimate the clearance rack, because you're going to find some. These guys are current. I love these because I'm going to make a memory keeping diary or book out of these using the in colours. So I can't wait to do that class with you. And finally, I just wanted to point out that I got this for free, and I've already opened it, a whole packet of envelopes as well, for meeting the hostess sales quota to receive some free product. So that's it. That's very exciting. I'm having a class this Wednesday. If you are local, come along to the class, and we're going to do some designer series paper, some quick cards using pattern paper, and some tips and tricks along with a template. So come along to that. I'm also doing a Zoom. If you're in Australia, anywhere in Australia, and you have a kit at home, or you've already purchased a kit, come along to my Zoom meeting, which will be this Thursday coming up at 7 p.m. You can email me your details, and I can put you down as a V's Cards VIP, so that you can find out all this news and more in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting.